Kenapa emang? Karena kira-kira kayak 1 jam deh. Oh enggak, ini sudah ini kok. Oh, bisa 1 jam. Enggak putus-putus. Hmm, hmm. Coba aku share screen ya coba ya. Atau aku turn off camera supaya sorry apa namanya YouTube-nya kemarin Academy homeschooling ya. Homeschool. My broadcast ini. Oh, oke. Oke, bersih sudah kok. Aha. Di go live gitu. Maksudnya untuk ini kan title ini kan. Tapi nggak apa-apa udah live-livean gini aja deh. Hmm. Cuman ini kayak sedikit lagging nih. Beberapa kayaknya hampir 1 menit nge-lag nih, Bresli. Coba kalau aku ini ya off cam ya. Karena ketika aku nulis ya. Ini aku udah nampilin whiteboard kan. Tapi itu di YouTube masih ini ya. Belum kan? Tapi nggak masalah sih karena ini kan basically ini kan ini semacam monolog kan. Cuman aku aja yang ngomong satu arah kan. Ya that's okay. Gimana pun juga. Tapi putus-putus nggak di situ? Nggak. Cuman telat ya. Cuman delay ya. Alright. Aha. Feedback. Pakai headset berarti. Kalau di adjust volume audionya kan ada tuh di audio zoom-nya. Mhm. Ya, ya. There are two watching, yang satu aku sendiri ya.
Tes 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 tes.
Itu settingan apanya, Bresli? Yang di
Itu
YouTube
OBS.
tampilan tuh. Oh, OBS.
Mm-mm. Kita stop stream dulu aja kali ya. Suara aku
Kalau
kedengeran nggak?
audio adjust di audionya zoom-nya, di zoom audionya,
Kayaknya nggak ngaruh deh.
mikrofonnya kan bisa di nggak ngaruh ya.
Mm-mm.
Kalau nggak YouTube-nya dikecilin di situ, gitu.
Gitu. Soalnya nggak kalau misalnya streaming tuh settingnya dari sini semua kan.
Hmm.
Nah, aku langsung
Hmm.
enable.
Let's see.
Tuh merah.
So who's gonna be the operator? You, Presley? Nanti Presley operat. Hmm. Ya, oke. Ya udah di mute aja mungkin ya. Hmm. Oke. Hmm. Wait. It. Oke. Ya, itu suaraku baru sampai ya, Presley. Oke. Ya udah kita start aja dah. Oke, thank you. Ini ada tamunya akan nonton tuh. It's not record. Oh, gitu. Masih. Oke. Oke ya. Oke. Okay, now let's start ya. Hello everyone. Welcome to the live streaming class of the E Academy Homeschool. My name is Mr. Ulung, and I'm here to present you some tricks and tips for the grammar class. Okay. And today's discussion will be about the difference between two tense forms. I'd like to start with two sentences. One is he drinks coffee every morning. Yeah. And next is he is drinking coffee at the moment. Okay. Then we shall name this one sentence A. Okay, this is sentence A. And the sentence B. Okay. Now let's read the sentences one by one. Sentence A, I repeat. He drinks coffee every morning. While B, he is drinking coffee at the moment. Now let's think the meaning of each sentence and try to understand both the structure and the context. Okay. He drinks coffee every morning, and he is drinking coffee at the moment. Okay. And I will highlight something that could be the clue. Okay. Now look at this expression morning. That means we're talking about something that is, let's say, routine. Okay. He drinks coffee every morning, so this is something that is routine. What means routine means it is regular activity, yeah, or we say this is the repeated activity, yeah, means that the subject, he does the activity more than just once, yeah, every morning. Okay. Next, sentence B. He is drinking coffee at the moment. Now look at the information about when he's drinking coffee. You can see here, this means like at the moment, it means right now. So if you can see the activity of drinking the coffee in the sentence B, yeah, it's not something that is routine, but this is something that is happening now. Okay. All right. Okay, so that is the meaning, and that makes it different. Yeah, he drinks coffee every morning and he's drinking coffee at the moment. Next, let's try to analyze the structure. In dealing with the structure, we need to focus or pay attention on the verb. Yeah. Remember that verb means, in here we say that it's an action word, or the word that tells the action or the activity. Okay, now let's highlight the verb. He drinks coffee every morning. The activity is, or the action word or the verb is drinks. Yeah. Now the sentence B, the verb form is different. It's not drinks, but we use this kind of verb form is drinking. Okay. So now we can draw a conclusion that different verb form makes different meaning. Yeah. Different verb form makes different meaning of a sentence. Okay. He drinks coffee every morning. It means when you're talking about something that is routine or regular, we use this kind of verb form. But if you're talking about something that's still happening right now, you use this kind of form. Okay. Next, we're going to name this. The first sentence actually goes with what's so-called present simple. Yeah. While the sentence B is in the tense form of present continuous. Okay. I'm going to mark this. So present simple. or something routine, well, this is the present continuous. Okay. Okay. Next, we're going to analyze this deeper and deeper, yeah, by getting familiar, trying to get familiar with the formula. Okay, now let's start with the first discussion. That means present simple. Now let's use the sentence again. Same sentence, like he drinks coffee every morning. But if we change the subject of the sentence, for example, with I, become I drink coffee every morning. Yeah. As you can see here, the verb form of the first sentence, he drinks coffee every morning, is different with the verb in the second sentence, I drink coffee every morning. Now let's see the difference here. First sentence, verb, we say drinks. Well, second sentence, just drink. Now, why is that so? Okay, let me highlight the difference first. We have S here, the ending S. The verb of the first sentence ends in S. He drinks. Why is it like this? Yeah. This is because of the helping verb that we use to form the verb of the present simple. Now remember, I say the helping verb, it means the auxiliary. When you're dealing with the present simple, yeah, please keep it in mind that you're actually using do or does to form the correct verb. Yeah. The word or the verb drinks in the first sentence actually composed of does and drink. Yeah. So drinks is actually does plus drink. Okay. Yeah. Does drink. While drink, as you can guess, is do drink. It's easy. Yeah. Drinks, does drink. That's how you get the S. Yeah, just remember, does over here. Yeah. So when you're making the positive type of a sentence, If the subject agrees with the word does, so you add s to the verb, s or es. Okay. Then I will add some information here. So what subject using do, what subject using does. So there's a little note here. If the subject of the sentence is are you, we, they, or the same with this, or can be replaced by this, yeah, they use do. So are you, we, they go with do. While the subject, he, she, it, they agree with does. Okay. All right. Okay. So when you're making a present simple, yeah, you have to remember that you're dealing with the auxiliary do or does that will help you to make the correct form of the verb. Yeah. He, she, it, they go with does. So you say he drinks coffee every morning. I, you, we, they using do. So you say I drink coffee every morning. Okay. But then why is it important to know this? Why? Because this will help you to make the other type of a sentence. Okay. For example, in the negative. Okay. Drinks coffee every morning. That is positive. So how to make it negative? You can just use the auxiliary does, and then you use not to make it negative, and then drink. You can does not drink, or you can make it doesn't drink, or a negative. Okay. For the second sentence, the same because the auxiliary is do. So you use do not drink, or you make it with the contraction don't drink. Yeah. He doesn't drink coffee every morning. That is present simple in the negative type. I don't drink coffee every morning. That is also present simple in of a negative type. And so we need to be careful with the subject. This rule we call it subject-verb agreement. This is the rule that's about how subject should agree with the verb. Okay. And next, still about present simple. I'm sorry. Here's the positive. He drinks coffee every morning. That is positive. Yeah. And here's the negative. Yeah, we discussed before. He doesn't drink coffee every morning. And the question type. Yeah. Come. Does he drink coffee every morning? Or other type of question? What does he drink? Let's say every morning. And then there's one more. So there are three types of questions. Yeah. Let's say with who drinks coffee every morning? So we are talking about the patterns in forming the various types of sentence. Okay. Yeah, let's start with the positive type. He drinks coffee every morning. This drinks, and we discuss that how we get the s, yeah, from the auxiliary, yeah, does, and then when you're making it negative, yeah, and how to do it. Remember, you have to break the word drinks into two parts. One is the auxiliary, and the other is the main verb. Yeah, and then you put not in between. So look at this. Sorry, you have the auxiliary does, and then you got the main verb here is drink. Remember, this is drink. Yeah, it's no longer drinks. Why? Because you have broken it into two parts. You have fragmented the verb, yeah, into the auxiliary and the main verb. Yeah, when you have separated them, yeah, it means the main verb goes back to its base form. No longer drinks. Why? Because you already used does. Yeah, does he drink coffee every morning? Yeah. And how to answer this? You may answer it yes or no. But if it's yes, you say yes, he does. Or if it's no, then you go ahead. No, he doesn't. Okay. This is what we call yes, no. You can call it yes, no question. When the answer is just yes or no, that is yes, no question. Formally, it is called the closed question. Yeah. Yes, no question is what so-called closed question. If there's a closed question, then must be open questions. So here is the open question. But still using the same rule, you need to break it into two. Yeah. This is an open question. Open question requires an information. Yeah. What does he drink every morning? The short answer is just coffee. If you answer it short, coffee. Yeah. But look at this. Another open question here. We don't break it. Who drinks coffee every morning? If you notice, the verb is like it's like in the positive type. Drinks. Drinks. We don't break it. Why? Yeah, because this open question is asking about the subject. So remember, for the subject question, you don't break the verb. I mean, you don't say it. Who does drink? Who does drink coffee every morning? That will noun. Yeah. Let's say a name. Yeah, proper noun. Let's say John. John drinks coffee every morning. Who drinks coffee every morning? John. Yeah. So what does he drink every morning? That's coffee. This means a open question for asking the subject.